Hello again. Let's talk about the letter Z, which is the 26th and final letter of the alphabet. Z is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter Z has a shape that looks like a diagonal line with a small horizontal line at the top. It is important to remember how to draw the letter Z correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter Z makes a sound that is similar to the letter Z. Some common words that start with the letter Z include zebra, zoo, and zipper. Words that have the letter Z in them are not as common as some other letters, but they are still important. We might visit a zoo to see different kinds of animals, or use a zipper to close our jacket on a cold day. Remembering the letter Z is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the interesting words it helps create. So let's give a big Z for the letter Z, and congratulate ourselves for completing our journey through the alphabet. Please support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.